just a fantastic day. So I'm just going to try out my new little camp stove, which was another little shopping special I picked up. Comes in this a container with essentially two pots. The top one makes a lid for the bottom one. And here's your little burner. The arms fold out like this. And in the bottom I've got the gas canister. I think I won't need these. I'm going to use my trusty little kettle. So I can put these to the side. And it's just a matter of screwing the burner to the top of the gas cylinder, making sure the O-ring is clean. This is handy because it's actually got a igniter built in. I don't need to light it, though I've got a lighter if I needed to. So it's a matter of screwing this on. Then I can hear the gas start. It's nice and firm. Flick down the little controller and I can hear it come out. So turn it on a little bit. It should. I'm in the wind protected side of the car. That's why I'm got the car in the background here. So it should be able to light. It's on. So we'll just fill up the trusty kettle with a little bit of water. Put the lid on and let it boil. Just get my cup of soup ready. So just got to wait for this to boil. Here we go. That's all I need. So turn it down and off. Add a little bit first and mix it. This is the secret to cup of soups, so you don't get powdery blobs. Add a little bit of liquid first and mix it in, and then top it up with the rest of the water. And there we go. A nice cup of soup.